Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable price alerts on Trustwallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to track price changes in your Trustwallet app, then you can always enable price alert on your application tab. Open your Trustwallet app and make sure you are logged into it. Once you're logged in front the main wallet page, go to the Settings button in the lower right-hand corner. From the Settings menu, you should see an option that says Price Alert. Give it a tap and enable the button right next to Price Alert on the next page. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to enable Price Alert even for a little bit of price change on your favorite cryptocurrencies. That is how it is easily done. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.